additional options have been added in the behavior panel under shape. You can choose the rotate axis, which our default is set to the local Z. And also you can set the array axis, which you won't be needing in the future. However, it's there for now just as a formality. So just to show rotate Z on default, we create a shape and press R, and it'll rotate in increments of 5 because that's what our rotation parameter is set to, or actually 15 here. So now we'll actually rotate at 30. But if we go and mess with the array axis, we can change where it starts at. Then when you press V, it's actually starting on the Y, but you can always press X to change it. In fact, array has actually changed where, because of rotate being mapped to R, you can now press Shift R to do the reset behavior. So if your array's out of control, you can just press Shift R and that will actually bring it back into range. So you still do have the ability to reset your array. If the array gets kind of you can get things back under control. So just letting you know to check out some of the options added under the behavior panel under shape, because there may be an option here that you've been waiting for.